Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Shooky from BT21. So let's get started. To draw Shooky, we're going to first start by drawing its body. So I'm going to come right here, draw a big curve for the top of its head. So this is basically the dumpling shape that I usually give to all my characters. So it's kind of taller at the top, and I'm going to widen it as I come to the sides. And about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. Just a little bit flatter towards the bottom. And connect. There. So basic shape for the head and body. And then we're going to come inside right here. Let's kind of say towards the widest area. And I'm just going to start with the mouth in the center. So about right here in the center, I'm just going to go with a small curve. And then I'm going to connect it with a deeper curve for the mouth. And then let's come inside right here and draw the tooth, the buck tooth, right there. And then we're going to come to the top of this mouth and draw 2 circles for the eyes. So about in this area, draw a big circle. And same thing over here. And I'm just going to come in here and give it a small highlight and shade it in. Same thing on this side. And then let's come on top right here. We're going to draw an angle line right on top of the eye. So say about right here. Give our Shooky here some expression. And then on top of this eye, it's just going to be a straight, small line. So I'm going to come in here and thicken all of this. There. And thicken the mouth area. Okay, so we have that part in. Now let's draw the hands. So I'm going to come in this side right here. I'm just going to draw a slightly straight angle line and then round it off and bring it in. Nice and simple, right? And then there's another one about right here in this corner right here. So the same thing, kind of straight angle, curve it and bring it in. And then for the legs, right in the center, I'm going to start, let's say here, 2 angle lines. And then let's just thicken that and curve and connect. And same thing over here, just kind of follow that angle, make sure it's the same length and connect. I'm just going to come in here and thicken that. And that is pretty much it for our Shooky from BT21. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.